When I prepare this tomato and onion, everybody asks me the recipe. Let's start the recipe by cutting one onion into slices. Then one tomato into slice. Then cut the slices into half. Now in a bowl, add 4 eggs, salt, black pepper, oregano, parsley, and mix well. Seasoning are to taste. Try this recipe at home. It's easy to prepare and it's ready in less than 10 minutes. Write me in the comments if you've already tried this recipe. I'd love to know. Now in a pan, drizzle some oil and spread. Add the tomato slices, the onion slices, season with salt and pepper. Fry one side, then turn them over to fry the other. And before I forget, write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Busi Malabella from South Africa. I'm very happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now pour the seasoned beaten eggs, cover with a lid, and leave it to cook for 7 minutes. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. Perfect for breakfast or whenever you want. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.